guys, this is Jancita. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to start my YouTube channel, and that's my cat behind me. What is she doing? Peppa, can you get down, please? Peppa? Get down, Peppa. Can you go down, Mama? So I'm really excited to start this YouTube journey, and I figured why not start with some curly hair videos, because your girl knows that curly hair is a struggle, and I've tried so many different products, and I'm going to share with you the ones that I like and the ones that I don't, so you save your money. What is she looking for? I just don't understand. Mama! Peppa! Girl! What are you doing? You're gonna see a lot of her. She is very nosy. Anyways, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash, not really a tutorial, more like a review on this product that was sent to me for free. So this is not, I'm not getting paid for it. I wish I was, but I'm not. So I'm just going to share my honest opinions and thoughts with you in terms of the TeaTree brand. They just dropped a new line called Lavender Mint. So I'm going to be trying all these products out. They sent me the whole line. You could actually buy the products individually, or you could get them all together. But in this case, they sent me everything. I'm going to try it out one by one and see how my curls react, and if she likes it, because she's very... Girl, she's so stubborn. I will also let you know if it's something that you should definitely invest in, because it is a little pricey for the line. And then from then on, I'll pick the ones that I truly really liked best, and I'll let you know which ones worked best for my hair as well in terms of hydration, because I know that's really big for me, and I know a lot of people also have really dry hair, especially if you have curly hair. It's a struggle. The TeaTree Lavender Mint, it's so enriched with different oils to hydrate your hair and keep it healthy. The 3 oils that it includes are jojoba oil, piquet oil, and manoi oil. I've spent so much money on products all the time, not knowing if they're gonna work or not, and they just sit there in my bathroom just like, who wants them? Anybody wants them? I'll donate them to you. But anyways, I spend a lot of money on products, and I'm sure other people as well with curly hair do, not knowing if things work for them or not. So we'll see how this turns out. And I'm not trying to like put my expectations so high, because I don't know what to expect. Again, it's meant for curly hair, and it's supposed to help with hydration. I hope this really does work for me, because I've been looking for something to hydrate my curls, because my hair is so dry, yo. In the summer, it's bad. It's really bad. I will also link down below the TeaTree website and all the products that I mentioned in the video. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your girl's new to the YouTube. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
So this is the Lavender Mint collection. It also comes in a cute little bag, so you can keep all of the products well organized. It includes a booklet with all the information you need to know on every product, including what it does and how it works. Alright, so let's try them all and see what happens.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I just washed my hair. I used the moisturizing shampoo and I used the moisturizing conditioner together. So like I said before, my hair can be really dry, so the conditioner really helped smooth everything out. So when I was like detangling my ends and working my way up, it was so easy. And usually I'm like fighting with my hair, because it's just a battle trying to get the knots out, but the conditioner really worked very well in my favor, so A+ for that. Jesus, look at my shirt. Okay, so far my hair is feeling really nice and soft and light, and we haven't even tried the other 7 products yet. But I decided that out of the 7, I'm only going to use 6. I'm actually going to leave out the co-wash out and try that next time I wash my hair. I figured I would substitute the shampoo with the co-wash and see the difference, and see if that helps or changes my hair in any way. So the other product that I actually want to wait till the end of the night will be the overnight moisture therapy. I won't try that now. So we basically have 6 products to check out, and yeah, I'm gonna use them all and see how my hair feels towards the end once it dries, and hopefully it feels like a soft fluffy cloud. Now I'm gonna use the moisturizing leave-in spray, which I haven't done yet. It's like a little spray thing, so go ahead and spray it. It's not spraying. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, okay, got it. Spray. That feels really silky, soft. The first product we're going to try is the Curl Refresher Foam. This says it revives and enhances texture, so it's really good if you want to enhance your curls, girl. That feels really good, and it smells, yo, it smells so good. It smells so good.
Sometimes when I get nervous, I stick my fingers under my arms and I smell them like that.
The next thing I'm going to put in my hair is the defining gel. So this is supposed to help with the frizz control, and it's very lightweight as well. So this is how I'm looking so far. So now we are on to the taming cream, and this says that it's good for hydrating and controlling. So on to the next, second to last product. This one is Moisture Milk. I'm actually really excited to try this one. It's just a nourishing daily frizz control, so this would be good just to like apply it in the morning after your co-wash. You just a couple pumps of this will be good. I'm only gonna add a little since I already have a lot of controlling frizz products, and I think this would be a good added bonus. I'm gonna put it usually right here because this is where I get a lot of frizz, top of my head. And then last but not least is the nourishing oil. Super excited to try this one. Hopefully this one gives me a lot of shine because it is an oil, but it also says it moisturizes and soothes your hair. Ooh, it's a squirter.
That's what she said.
And I thought my hair was already soft, but the oil makes your hair so silky smooth. I can't get over it. Wow. Okay, I think I need a couple more pumps of that and just like add it to my tips because that is bomb. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I have two options. I could either let this air dry or I can use my diffuser and do that as well. But I don't really like using the diffuser as much. I just like letting it air dry. So I'm just going to do that now since I had to go out. Let it do its magic. Voila! The lioness is back and she is popping. I am really loving the texture, the bounce, the volume. It's very lightweight, and in terms of hydration and shine, I think I have plenty. I really like how shiny and healthy my hair looks. Also want to point out that I murdered this one particular product because I loved it so much. The Lavender Mint Nourishing Oil. This one right here is so good. Oh my god, like it's already down to here because I just kept adding it, and I have so much hair, so I just felt the need to keep on adding more and more because my hair just like was absorbing it like a sponge. It was just, it's that good. If you can see, it's so shiny. I really like that a lot. The other product that I also liked was the defining gel. I think this one was really good in controlling the frizz in my hair. I get a lot of frizz, especially on the top half of my hair. The gel really did a great job in taming those frizz, so I also recommend the defining gel if you're interested. And then the other product that I really loved was the moisture milk. I loved the way that felt on my hands, and then when I applied it as well, it was just so nice and silky, and it just made my hair just feel really soft. So the oil and the gel, those three are my top ones. Aside from that, I really did like the Lavender Mint conditioner. I loved how gentle it was to my hair when I was like combing through it and combing through the tangles. I really did see a difference in comparison to other products that I've tried before. I didn't have to sit there for like 10-15 minutes trying to detangle and comb through the tangles, so it was really good. So now, for big question, do I recommend this product in my overall experience slash satisfaction? I would say I would give it 2 thumbs up in terms of quality. The price is a little bit pricey, but I mean, if you're going for quality, I think it's an investment. If you really want to hydrate your curls and try something that's gonna work for you, I think this would be a great product to try. But if you do see an item that you want to try, they do sell everything individually, and if you want to try the whole line as well, they have that too, so I will link that down below. And yeah, you guys could check it out. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below. I will have a link to the description of everything that I talked about, to the TeaTree website as well, and to my Instagram if you want to give your girl a follow. Let me know what you guys want to see next, what your thoughts were, if you enjoyed this video, and see you on my next video. Bye!